Okay, I was gifted this gorgeous necklace and I am just so in love with it. It's so hard to show it adequately. We have the sweetest dainty chain right here. It is beautiful. It looks great, like a great quality, and it's so sweet and dainty. There is this piece, it's like a flower piece, and it's gorgeous. This is the October Birthstone, a beautiful pink. This little gem right here is a fixed gem. So even though this will move around, this is stuck on right there on that little loop. So this can move, this one will not. And we have 3 different options for the length of the chain. So I'm going to try not to show you what it looks like, but there are 3 options. I'll probably stick it on the shortest option and I will show you what it looks like. All right, like I said, this is the shortest it will go, and it is so beautiful. It's so hard to see it. It kind of blends to my skin, but it's this beautiful pink, and it's so gorgeous. So dainty, like such a great piece. I am so in love with this. October Birth Gem. Just a beautiful piece. Highly recommended. This is a great one.